Good evening, everyone. My name is Scott Cavanaugh. I'm Director of Marketing Operations for Hampshire Solar. Joined by President Mark Pelletier, Director of Engineering Jim Mandry, Environmental Engineer Matt Villa. That's the crew. We're going to launch our solar company. I'll tell you a bit about it. Always remember 2014 is the year where commercial residential solar really took hold and became part of the landscape. I'm sure you've all seen the ads, you put solar on your house and or the radio ads. That's not what we do, all right, just so you know. We like to think we provide solar power for really everybody else. All right? We're a full service company, and our goal is to provide an efficient, economical, and eco-friendly solution that really minimizes any impact on the environment. So there's a lot to be said there. Our target market is really landfills, so I don't know how many of you are customers right off the bat. But we have a really unique approach I'd like to go over very quickly. As you'll see, it's a very innovative design. There's really nothing quite like it on the market today. That doesn't mean we don't have competitors, because we certainly do. But these are the companies that are providing this technology, kind of the traditional industry-accepted approach. It's very efficient and cost-effective, as I've mentioned. It's easy to assemble and also to disassemble, which is important because our approach is also portable, which I'll get to in a second. It's adaptable, and again, we set a new standard for eco-friendliness that I think you will certainly appreciate. There's three components. Each one has a patent pending. The patents are on the racking system, which is tunable and can be positioned and optimized to generate the most power possible. There's a surface ballast system. So instead of staking these to the ground or using a big concrete block to anchor them, it's a non-invasive approach. So we adapt to the contour of the land using the surface ballast system. It's filled with an eco-friendly slurry. It's a very dense material. It's flushed in, and the water drains out. We're left with a very, very dense and solid material to weight the system and anchor to the ground. And for landfills, we've patented the application process. It's very streamlined, which allows us to install these systems on inclined area in a very streamlined and economical, using a very streamlined economical process. With landfills, the huge benefit that we offer is the fact that we can make use of the sloped area where other approaches cannot. So this has two huge benefits. First, that we can increase the power generating capacity of this site, but also we can leave certain areas untouched that may want to be used for recreational use, parks and so forth, scenic vistas, who knows. And also we're introducing the concept of the private solar farms, where there are many residential and commercial sites that cannot have solar on their pitched asphalt roofs. What if it's a historical property? And putting solar panels on the roof would really change the character of that location. Or what if it was a greenhouse? You know, a big part of the nursery business, a big part of their cost is the power that the electricity costs. And I'm sorry, plants don't run on electricity. They need good old-fashioned sun rays. So the concept of this private solar farm that's land-based, that can be detached from the structure, is important. In many cases, you'll have more land space available than you do roof space. So again, it's an opportunity not only to generate power for yourself, but actually to generate a profit through entities. Yeah, and I mentioned the installation process, which we can install on an inclined surface in a very streamlined way using a unique conveyor system that's also patented. So there are a lot of opportunities for this, a lot of applications. We've heard a lot of ideas. Many parts of the world, they may not have pitch roofs, they might have thatched roofs. So there's certainly applications there. And I'd love to hear about any that you hear. So tweet using @Anar Solar and post your comments online as to other applications for our technology.